Hi, welcome back to the channel. This will be an unboxing video and a first impressions video of the Meze Audio Alba. These were very popular at the time of the release and were sold out everywhere. So I'm very excited to try these out. First, you can see that there's a very nice illustration on the box. These set of IEMs also comes with a USB-C to headphone jack dongle, which is shrink wrapped here on top of the box of the IEMs. Now let's unbox it. Let's check out the USB-C dongle first. The connectors are in silver color and there's a Meze Audio logo here. And the cable matches the IEM cable on the Meze Alba. First, there's a booklet. Inside there are pictures of the Meze Alba. By the way, the Alba features a 10.8mm dynamic driver. It's rated at 32 ohms and it has a SPL of 109 decibels. This card here shows you how to plug in the IEM cable and how to fit the ear tips. Then we see the unit itself. It's actually kind of a cream color instead of white. There are pull tabs. The Meze Alba is an all-metal build, and I actually really like the color of it. There's a vent for the dynamic driver on the nozzle, and there's also a vent on the front of the IEMs. The funny thing is that there's a huge M on the silicone tips, indicating the size. I think this is a PU leather pouch. And we have a silver-plated copper cable inside, and an extra free pair of tips. So in total there are 4 pair of tips. Now let's plug the cable in. The R here should be on the outside of the IEMs. There's also a Meze logo on the back of the IEMs. Okay, so I tried a few songs on the Alba, and the first thing I noticed is this. There's actually a white LED light in the USB dongle, which is pretty cool. So I wanted to say that the stock tips did not fit well for me. So I used my Setna EarFit standard tips. The IEM itself fits very well in my ears. After about 15 minutes of listening to the Alba using the stock dongle, I find the sound of it to be really energetic and engaging. It's definitely a V-shaped signature. I find the soundstage to be really wide with decent imaging. Vocals are smooth and forward sounding, and the bass has a satisfying kick to it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with these at this stage. I'll try the Alba with more music and different amps and report back in the full review. Measurements are now uploaded to SqueakLink. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to not miss the full review.